Hello and welcome to Party Paper Tears. In this video, I will be doing a walkthrough on a large baby boy album. The measurements are 11.5 by 11.5 with a 1-inch spine. The cover is a simple layout with 3 Polaroids layered on foam dimensionals and scrapbook paper. On page 1 is a flip design that will let you add up to 4 pictures. I embellish the top and the bottom with a border, and I use a decorative punch and stickers from the sticker sheet for extra cuteness. Now on page 2 and 3, I went with a double page layout. I really love the symmetry of this layout, and the diagonal flips on each side really pulls the look together. You can put up to 10 photos on these 2 pages. The diaper bag is made with a 4x6 cut apart and some brown cardstock for the straps. And it can hold additional photos as well. And a few baby icons such as a bib, a rattle, and a bottle. I added these so that you can journal on them or maybe put photos if you want to. The gold accents are images that I downloaded from the Design Space. I wanted to give it just a little extra razzle dazzle. The next layout is what I like to call a window pane layout. This giraffe element is a closure and it moves up and down because this layout is also a flip. Once fully open, it gives you an additional 13 photo mats. And as you see, I use decorative papers and stickers to embellish it. On the next page is my favorite layout. It's a dresser with fun room elements on top. I got this fun design from Cricut Design Space. I just looked up under dresser cards and I was able to pull this up. The drawers are glued on 3 sides so you can add cute baby items. The knobs are from flat back pearls and the onesies are picture mats that you can put pictures on each side. This layout can hold up to 10 pictures. With this fun layout, I used a waterfall feature to display the by the month designs. With this design, I created a panel on the side so that you can journal by the month. And I decided to leave the last 2 pages blank so that you can use them to place any additional photos that you may have. Overall, I would say that this large folio was a really fun make, especially with this baby boy theme. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe if you like this type of content. Have a nice day and thank you for joining me.